Looking to upgrade your truck's audio? The front speaker adapter designed specifically for 6x9 speakers offers a reliable, factory-style fit that enhances sound without compromising your vehicle's look. Crafted from high-grade materials, it promises durability and a secure hold for your new speakers. When upgrading your 22 Tacoma or Tundra, this adapter fits most models smoothly, though some minor tweaks might be necessary. For example, the 22 Tundra requires drilling a 5/16 hole in the adapter frame to align with the fourth mounting point. It's a simple fix that ensures a perfect fit without hassle. Installing speakers like the JBL 6x9 also demands a bit of adjustment. The mount fits 3 out of 4 holes, but using a 6mm 3/4 self-tapping screw for the last hole makes the process straightforward. Plus, the speaker wire cutout is on the opposite side, so you'll need to create a new opening for proper wiring. One important tip for Tundra owners: to avoid rattling, insulate your entire front door after installation. This extra step dramatically improves sound quality and prevents annoying vibrations, letting you enjoy your upgraded audio system fully. This adapter isn't just about fitting speakers, it's about making your upgrade seamless and long-lasting. The black, factory-style finish blends in perfectly with your truck's interior, keeping everything looking clean and professional. If you want a straightforward way to enhance your truck's sound system, this front speaker adapter is worth considering. It combines durability, style, and a mostly plug-and-play design with just a few easy tweaks for a custom fit. Ready to boost your audio experience? Whether you drive a 22 Tacoma or Tundra, this adapter helps you get the most out of your 6x9 speakers without complicated installations. Try it when you're ready to enjoy clearer, richer sound on the road.